How to use ClickUp for asset tracking. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use ClickUp as an asset tracking. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over to clickup.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now how we can add the asset tracking. Basically it is going to be a template. In this video generally I'm going to add a template that will allow you to have the asset tracked and also into a let's say managed and also basic way. So we are going to head over the space that we want to add the asset managed. I'm going to use maybe on the personal goal account or space. Once we have been here, I click on the plus button right there and head over templates. Now we're going to type in on the search bar assets. So we are going to find the asset management. I'm going to click on this and we're going to read the description. So keep track of all of your equipment, assets, details in one convenient location. Maintain record including condition, repair cost, purchase, whatever. And you're going to find everything in here. You can see the inclusion of the template. As you can see, we have two groups. We have two views. We're going to use it. I'm not going to add a name for it. Only if you are going to customize it with a name. The folder, I'm not going to interfere. I have chosen already the folder. Importation, import everything. Project dates. I'm going to have the date as the current date. And we're going to click on use template. So we're going to wait for it to be added. And normally it is going to be set up or added in just a few seconds. This is the asset management. This is it. So as you can see, we have a list, a board or a Kanban view. We have a repair calendar, repair costs, and we can go ahead and set up these views or organize them and add more views if we wanted. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.